What is up, guys? Welcome to Day Ray with me, your girl Ray Ray. Hey, hi, how's it going? How you doing? I hope you are doing well. This is obviously a very impromptu video. I actually have my mic on. I hope you guys can hear me okay. I'm talking very quietly because everybody is asleep. Hopefully you're not getting the dishwasher in the background. I've been stockpiling up all my Halloween videos today. But I need some piping gel and I need some homemade piping gel, and I have the very best recipe. It's probably not the best recipe, but I wanted to make it. I think I made it on my video, like on my channels, like back in 2016, maybe 2018. I don't remember, but I think I made some, but it was many moons ago. So I was like, you know what? I'm just going to do another video real quick. And like I said, with people starting their Halloween baking, if they want brain cakes or brain juice or make fake blood, this is a great recipe. It tastes great. And yeah, so I'm going to get started. Okay, so what you're gonna need, I will put the recipe maybe here in this corner right here so you can see it if you want to screenshot it. It is the recipe and the instructions, but it is, you're gonna need a 1/3 cup of sugar, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, a 1/4 cup of lemon juice, and a 1/4 cup of water. Now, the lemon juice gives it a flavor. Now, these taste just like, I guess, a sweet tart or like a lemon head. It's really good, but you don't have to use this. You can use lemon juice. You can double up on the water and not use lemon juice and use a candy flavoring. So as you guys know, if you watch my live stream, Miss Kara just sent me a bag of these candy flavors, but you can make it taste like marshmallow, you can make it taste like pear, you can color this any color that you want, but I'm just gonna do the base recipe. But like I said, you can flavor it anything you want. Just instead of doing a 1/4 cup of lemon juice and a 1/4 cup of water, just do 2 waters instead. Okay, so you guys should probably know that I have some crazy shenanigans going on for y'all to see this. So we're gonna add in, hold on. All right, so here we go. We're gonna add in our sugar. Move that out of the way, and we're going to add our cornstarch. Now, what we're going to do before we even turn the stove on, before we even think about it, we're going to take a whisk and we're going to mix this up and make sure it's nice and smooth and there's no lumps or nothing in there. I'll save you guys the unnecessary noise. Okay, so I went ahead and I took in this cup, I went ahead and put my lemon juice and my water in here and just mixed it up. And you end up with 4 ounces. Now again, before your stove is on, you're going to slowly pour this in here and mix it up. Like I said, the stove is not on. And you're just gonna wanna mix this up. Again, I apologize for the noise. Maybe while I'm editing, I'll just put some music over this. soften it up. Okay.
I forgot to tell you that I turned the stove on to a medium heat and you continuously stir until it comes to a boil.
Alright guys, so I just wanted to show you, I just turned off my stove. My stove, it only took about 4 minutes for this to come to a boil. So as you can see, I'm going to take this off the heat. Look at that. Look how thick that is. Look at that. I don't know how well you guys could see that. Look at that. She thick. Okay, so I wanted to record myself putting it into a container just so you guys can see the consistency. Hopefully you guys can see it. Let me take this out. Now, of course, it is still cooling, but I want you to see how clear it is. See the color. I don't know how well you guys can see that. Now, this doesn't really make that much. I mean, it makes enough. I mean, you can always double up the recipe if you need it to like fill a pool or whatever. Now, like I said, I've been making this stuff for a very long time, but I'm not gonna lie, I've gotten lazy over the years. I'm not gonna lie. Like, I can make my own fondant, but I buy it because it's convenient and you pay for convenience. If I had to make my own fondant, yes, I would definitely do it. If I couldn't afford to buy fondant, then yes, I would. Now, let's see. All right, so let me set this in the sink. So I'm gonna hold this up here for you guys to see. That is homemade piping gel. Now, like I said, you can color this any color you want. You can flavor it. I want to compare it to store-bought piping gel. Hang on real quick. Okay, I know you guys can't really see my face, but this is the Wilton clear piping gel, and here is that. Now this, like I said, this is still hot, so it's still going to be a little runny, but it will. Oh, this is getting ready to pour out. I didn't even notice that. Here, let me do it this way. Let's see. Okay, so like I said, this is still warm, so this is going to be a little bit runny until it cools down. And this is, you know, but I feel like the color is pretty much identical, except for this one tastes like lemon heads, and this doesn't really have any flavor. So there you go. Now this will store up to a month in the refrigerator. That's what they say. I've actually had it longer. But yeah, this stuff, let's see. Yes, it tastes just like a lemon head. I swear to goodness it does. But yeah, so what do you guys think? Alright guys, so that's gonna wrap it up for this really quick video. I hope you like it. If you guys decide to make this recipe, please let me know down below. Oh, did I just hit the microphone? I'm so sorry. If you decide to make it, let me know. I will have the recipe down in the description box if you want to cut it, if you want to cut it, if you would like to make it yourself. I will add the notes in there, like I said in this video, but like I said, I've been making this piping gel for years. I made this sorry, this really pretty, I'm gonna put a picture of it here. I actually made quite a few stained glass cakes. Maybe I'll put the pictures of them here and you guys can see some of the stained glass cakes that I've made through the years. I have one stained glass cake that I made on my channel way back in 2016, and it didn't come out great, and I've kind of wanted to recreate one. So I'm thinking maybe at Christmas time, because I have a bunch of stained glass patterns, maybe Christmas time I'll make a stained glass cake, and we'll give it a try. We'll see, because I haven't done one in a really, really long time. So, but this will definitely be the piping gel that I use. I might use different flavors and things like that. So, all right, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Again, if you are going to make this recipe, let me know. If you do make it, tell me how you like it. Tell me what flavors you used. Just let me know. And remember to give me a thumbs up, because it really does help me. I need a lot of help right now, guys. Like, there's stuff I can't talk about. All I can say is that man-child is, he's sick again, but it's not a good diagnosis, and we're struggling right now. So a thumbs up would really, really help me. Truly, truly, truly. All right, guys, so thank you so much for watching this video. Remember, like, comment, share, and subscribe. And as always, please be kind, because you don't know what kind of battle someone's going through. So don't be a dick. All right, guys, I love you so much, and I'll see you in the next video.